So guys, I'm again reading the book, The 10X Rule, The Only Difference Between Success and Failure by Grant Cardone. So I'm on a topic which is be interested in results. Successful people don't value effort or work or time spent on activity. They value the results. So it doesn't matter how long have you been trading. It doesn't matter how long you have been practicing. But until you are consistently profitable, it doesn't make a difference. End result is profit. Are you making consistent profit? If not, then it doesn't matter how much efforts you have put. Unsuccessful individuals attach great importance to the time they spent at work and their attempts at getting the results, even if nothing happens. The difference here is connected to the concept of being unreasonable. Let's face it, like it or not, the results are all that matters. If you attempt to take out the trash but only take it to your front hall, garbage will continue to accumulate in your home. So suppose you have garbage collecting in your kitchen waste, and you're just trying to take it out and bringing it to the living room and not being able to take it out of your house. What will happen? The garbage will keep collecting in your living room. Until you really take it out of your house and hand it over to the janitor, it doesn't make a difference. So further he says, until you become completely unreasonably fixated with only getting results, you will fall short of achieving what you desire. Quit patting yourself on the back for trying and save your rewards and accolades for actual accomplishment. Drive yourself so that no one else has to. Be hard on yourself and never let yourself off the hook until you get results. Results, not efforts, regardless of the challenges, resistances, and problems, are a primary focus of successful. So it's the result, end result. What is it that you're getting ultimately from your all the efforts, all the resistances, all the late nights, all the learnings? What is the end result? Are you being able to make consistent money in the stock market? If it is not, then you have to go back to the previous videos that I have made, make improvement every single day, go through these 6,600 companies of BSc and NSE, and go make a journal of all your learning in the stock market. All this diligent effort in your understanding will make you a better trader. Improve every single day. Your journal will help you in improving your trade execution. All of these are extremely important lessons. If you are passionate about the market, if you want to be successful in the market, then continuously keep working until you become successful. The end result is your success, nothing else. Nothing else matters until you really report victory. So keep learning with Stock Pro. All the best.